Well, hi folks. Well, we are on the move again, and the team is heading down south to do a circuit of pretty well much country New South Wales down the coast, on to Sydney, and then I think potentially out to Tamworth to film some people. So, if you would like to come on board, we've got about a month to go before we do the trip. I'm supposed to be doing a talk in Sydney at the AAD Gallery at the Rocks on the 10th of June. It starts at 5, so if anybody wants to come along to that, you can give us a call and find out what's happening in Sydney. If you'd like to be part of the amazing colour in your life, as I said, we're still expanding, still doing some amazing things across the world. You'd be most welcome to come on board and just send us your details so that we know that you're interested. As I said, you just have to see the testimonials. People get so much out of doing this on an ongoing basis for many years to come. It's not just there for a month or so and then gone. So come and have a talk to us. There's no obligations. I mean, goodness, you just have a talk to us and we can take it from there. But hopefully we can see you guys soon.